Imagine a dust collector which operates at maximum efficiency, well within the new statutory requirements, with no tubular filters, no envelope filters, no cartridges, panel or heaper filters, no pulse valves or scrubber pumps, no compressed air, no scrubber pads, eliminator pads, demister pads or chevron eliminators. In fact, CeTech has absolutely no internal moving parts whatsoever. CeTech, a fully electronic dust control system that not only removes dust and fume, but smoke, odor, and even bacteria and viruses, with no degradation through high temperatures, no degradation with wet or sticky dusts, and no problem with dew points. You are imagining the future, and the future is now. But CeTech is not a mechanical system. It is a fully electronic device that has enhanced the awesome power of nature's gift of static electricity. Unlike mechanical equipment, CeTech is a fully electronic system that works on the suspended solids only, making it far more efficient than mechanical filters. Let's put CeTech through its paces. Please note, no trick photography whatsoever has been used to show the awesome power of CeTech. This test rig is at A&AT's Research and Development Unit, consisting of only 6 tubes, compared to the commercial units with 100 plus tubes. An ultrafine plasma dust with a mean particle size of 3 microns is being used as the main test product because of its tendency to present itself as dust as well as smoke. We apologize to environmentalists for the emissions, which are necessary to show the power of CeTech. The corona is activated and the fan switched on. Heavy dust loads are described in the industry as 50 kilograms per hour per cubic meter of air. The S6 is handling the equivalent of 5 tons per hour. Yet absolutely no emission is detectable. Our R&D manager now floods the system with dust, again with no visible emissions. The operator switches off the electronics, showing what the CeTech is actually removing from the incoming air on a continuous basis, realizing that this system is 1/6 the capacity of the smallest commercial CeTech unit. To further demonstrate the power of CeTech, our operator now loads heavier dusts, feldspar and cement into the system, again without emission. Removing the collected dust from the system is fully automatic with commercial CeTech equipment. For demonstration purposes, our operator removes the normal collection drum as well as a side panel on the hopper to help with the dust rush when activating the wrapper. A major advantage of CeTech is its ultra-low pressure drop. In fact, it does not even register on the S6, as the unit is no more than a 3-meter section of ducting operating at 2.5 meters per second. This major advantage is common to all CeTech systems, drastically reducing running costs. The heart of the system is the electro-logic controller that has been developed by the GNL section of CeTech. GNL are specialists in high-voltage DC and pulsed power supply systems, with many years of experience in the fields of high-power pulsed lasers and pulsed X-ray systems. At present, our high-voltage pulsed power products are used in subsystems on 5 continents to clients such as NASA, Lockheed Martin, the Chinese Air Force, and British Aerospace, to name a few. Scientific papers by our designers have been internationally published many times. It is with this pedigree that the CeTech Pulse Corona system has been developed. This allows the far more efficient square tube technology to be used with a unique spike pulse wave, allowing complete corona coverage of the tube, with a spike initiation of the pulse lasting 50 millionths of a second at the start of the pulse sine wave. These two factors, the square tube and spike pulse technology, are the basis of the ultimate dust control system. The plug-in, plug-out electro-logic controller takes full control of every aspect of the CeTech operation, requiring only a simple switch-on, switch-off input from the operator. Full safety modes are built in with direct contact available to an outside PLC or SCADA system, or to an email link to our control center for remote setting and problem detection if necessary. The S100 is the basic commercial module that handles 10,000 cubic meters of air per hour. The unit is being force-fed with dust. The electro-logic controller is being manually overridden to create an emission for demonstration purposes. The operator, again to demonstrate the power of CeTech, purposefully removes the collection drum, just in time before a cleaning cycle is automatically instigated by the electro-logic controller. CeTech, Corona Emission Technology.